Back out, folks. So, we 2-day adventure, so make sure you stay tuned to this one. Big group meet up, so it should be a good one. So I'm about halfway there. I'm just standing at the edge of Loch Ken. So good pike fishing loch this. A few boats and that out on it as well. But stay tuned because we're halfway there. And once we get to destination, we'll bring you back. But it should be a good one. 2-day adventure. Bring it on. We've arrived. So I'm going to start hiking up to the camp spot. Probably take a couple of trips to get my gear up. Obviously here for a couple of days, so get the Pomley hot tent with me tonight, Woodburning stove, do a bit of cooking, bit of drinking, good catch up with a good few folk, so it should be a brilliant night. This is just the first one, so stay tuned. Right, that's me here, survived. So that's my Pomley hex set up. Eddie, Scottish Wild Camper, he's got it's TP City tonight. He's got the Lux Outdoor Mini Peak XL, and Johnny's just purchased the Pomley Hex Plus. So that's obviously bigger than the one I've got. But same style, but looks pretty nice. We've also got Mark, Prophecy Prepper, up there somewhere, and Donna, lady in the orange van, even though she's not got an orange van now. Well, we're here at last, so stay tuned. Night's yet young. Look, Eddie's got his xylophone with him. Look at music tonight. So, here's Donna. Say hello. Right, and there's Kevin.
Colin, how are you?
I'm well, yourself, Kevin?
Well, thanks.
So there's a few here now. So obviously we've been here before, you probably recognise this. I slept in that the last time I was here. And then you've got the wee everything. I was going to say everything but the kitchen sink, but we've got a kitchen sink. You can get running water straight off the hill. Fantastic. But the night's yet young, so should be a good night. This is just the first night. We've still got the second night to do as well. Right, everybody's here that's going to be here tonight. So, you know what time it is? It's Vino time. So, what have we got? Got a wee bottle of Casilla del Diablo. Lovely. A nice wee Merlot. And then I've got my trusty favourite, the 19 Crimes. So, tonight I think I'll have the Casilla del Diablo. Bottoms up. Yep. Cheers. Right folks, fire on. So Johnny's got the fire on. A wee bit of kind of rain there. Prophecy Prepper. Eddie, Scott's Wild Camper. Raving about Scotland. Johnny explores Scotland. Donna, lady with the orange van, even though you've not got an orange van now, but it's still the lady with the orange van. And myself, the Scottish Wild Camper.
Let them start. I promised Julie I would wait until she was here. She's dying to try it. I've been talking to Julie.
She seems to say, I know she's been saying about, oh, I've made this curry and I've done this.
I've given her for all the right pans and stuff. Say to her, believe it or not, if you get the right pan, it makes all the difference. You've got to get the right pan for the curry. If you need to get you need the curry to caramelise as you're cooking it. So you need an aluminium pan, but a proper one so that it sticks, so that you're scraping it off the pan.
40 years now, and it wasn't the
thing back when we had vegetables.
My daughter doesn't eat meat,
Yeah.
but she'll eat a steak. But she'll not eat anything else like burgers or sausage.
You
She
said
doesn't like,
that's
pro-
just the
she doesn't
same
like
as mine.
processed meat, she doesn't like texture. That's how she, like, everything she eats is, so if I make a curry for her, it's usually sweet potato and lentil.
That's it. Yeah, you're fine. We're going to be safe to stay.
Where's my cigar?
Right enough, Kevin.
How did you get up to the top, Colin?
The wee lad straight at the back.
Oh, I never
I
did.
can
Yeah,
see it.
right.
I was here the last time.
Was
I
it?
slept up in there.
It's still going.
What's that?
Cheese. Cheese.
Jeez. Right.
I'll steal that for Stuart does.
I need to leave video.
Each side,
Right.
so you could get somebody sleeping that side and you bother, and then along that you can.
So,
Probably got a couple each side.
4.
Oh, good Christ, you could get
You're
easy
5 in
two
there.
each side,
2 each side, that's
and then somebody along here if they were brave enough with it.
Aye.
Sorry.
Right, Mark's got the peace pipe out now.
Oh.
How?
Seen the keep
Right,
going.
right, but he's got the lights disappeared there. Kevin,
Sorry,
right,
mate.
it's alright, right, Kevin's on it. Kevin's
The
on
light-
it.
the
Right,
light man's
right,
here.
the lighting man. I've got a lighting man tonight. Fantastic. Right, but
You
Mark,
got to watch until goes. Carefully speak with Bob.
yeah, yeah. Big chief, Mark. Right, but he's got the pipe.
Pale-faced speak
Brilliant.
with fork tongue. Easy.
Right. So I don't even know what time of night it is, but
I'm not easy going. Then.
we're all having a good time. It's a good gathering.
Roll to the mark.
What, tripping over things there. Right. They've actually found my camera case.
Colin,
Right.
is that, have you got the camera on?
Ah, it's fine, Eddie. It's fine.
For
Right.
ladies and gentlemen, people.
Right, look, Eddie's got my camera cover. Right, 2 for the price of 1.
That's the job.
Right, but it's been a good night so far. It's been fantastic. Great group of folk. You just couldn't beat this. You could be sitting in the house, as Derek the Denson Ranger says, you could be sitting in the house watching Coronation Street and Crest Roads. Exactly. Right, but we're out giving it large, just enjoying ourselves, out in the middle of nowhere.
Night shift.
You just can't beat this.
I hope it makes.
Right, Mark's stoking the fire. Mark's stoking the fire. So the half wheel, I don't know, I think it's a wheel. Right, but Mark's just stoked the fire. Oh, can't beat this. Fantastic. So, if you're sitting in the house, you need to get yourself out there. Because sitting in the house, it's just no good. This is what it's all about. Right, Johnny. Johnny's just stuck a sawdust log onto the middle. Donna, what are you saying, Donna?
Just pop his massive log on.
Yeah, he has done. Eddie, what are you saying, Eddie? It's all good, right? And there's Mark. I can't even pick. All right, we've got shine a light, Mark. Shine a light, Mark. Oh, right, wait a minute. Oh, right, don't worry, folks. I'm still here as well. But it's been a good night so far. This is only the first night. Wait till the second night.
I got a shout out this week.
Oh, right, shout outs, right. So there's Johnny sitting with his Johnny Explores Outscored.
Johnny Explore.
Johnny Explores Scotland YouTube. Check Johnny's channel out. Eddie, the Scots Wild Camper. Right, you all know him. Check Johnny's. Check Eddie's. Sorry, it's the wine, right. But Eddie's, you know, most of you have already checked. You've already checked Eddie's channel out. Check Eddie's Scots Wild. Aye, Johnny, Eddie, Kevin, shine a light on yourself. Right, Kevin.
Here's Kevin.
Raving about
Raving about Scotland. Check John. I'm saying Johnny again, right? Check Kevin's channel out as well. Right. Shine a light on Donna.
in the orange
Right.
one.
You need to check Donna's channel. Right. So check Donna. Lady with the light, orange van channel out.
The
Am
lady
I right?
with the disabled lingo at the minute.
Right, but check her channel out, and the last but not least, Mark. The
and you've seen the
prophecy
fire?
Pfeffer. I know he's got a pipe, right, but check his channel out anyway.
You seen the fire? You seen the fire?
Prophecy
Seen the fire?
Pfeffer.
Hey,
Right, but that's yet to come. Right, and this is just the first night. This is the first night, and we've still got the second night to go. But so far, it's been fantastic. Good company, good laugh. I know my camp. Right, shine the light on Donna.
Thanks for tuning in.
We'll see you tomorrow. But for now, this has been us reporting from here. Just about now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, why I pet? I'm sorry.
Am I that broadly?
No. Do you know that? It's a canny bag of cheddar. Is it a canny bag of?
Did you get what I said? I'm going to be honest. Sometimes I do it in my face. He's like,
You're gonna sip me, you're gonna sip me.
so I said to him, like, that's enough. Fucking, if you're going to do that, take your bed sheets and put them in the machine.
Right, it's right, Mark. Bust your moves, Mark. Bust those moves.
This is Donna dance.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wait. It's like a Teletubby, right?
Right. Hey, you couldn't make this up, could you?
Donna, you've been an inspiration.
You couldn't make it up, right? So who sings that? Get your comments below. Who sings that?
Enigma.
Enigma. Aye, Enigma. Hey, but it's all good. I know. We're sitting on the middle of nowhere. Middle of
He's
nowhere.
coming in the car.
Right, but first night, fantastic. Just a great laugh. You need to get yourselves out. You need to get yourselves out.
Mark, you're absolute legend.
I'll take the arrow then if you've got
Right, folks, we've been talking about old age sweeties, right? But John suddenly appeared with arrows and all sorts of sweeties, right? We've been talking about what was that one you mentioned? Chelsea Whoppers. Chelsea Whoppers. Yeah, Chelsea Whoppers, right? Sherbet dips.
Colin,
What?
1 or 2, pick a number.
1.
So you got a arrow.
Number 1.
Arrow.
Well, I've got an arrow. Right, have you got any flakes? We've no flakes tonight, but I've got an arrow. Right, arrows, they're not too old,
All the
right?
Snickers.
Right, but it's all good.
I'll take the top.
We're all having a good time.
Aye.
Really good.
Yeah, fantastic.
For me, mate, so I'll share that night with the boys.
Right, sorry, I'm just coming out of that there.
And,
Kevin's just, sorry, Johnny's just talking about,
Appreciate that, Kevin. Thank you.
Kevin gave Johnny a bottle of Dura for his bike bagging gear, right? But right now, Johnny's about to crack open the Dura. Oh yeah!
I'm not rash out with you guys and
So,
take a ham and drink it myself.
well,
I'd rather share with you
you're
guys
too
than
late now.
drink it.
You're too late. Right, so, yay! No.
Wish you were here.
Oh yeah!
Oh, fuck my girl.
Right, folks. Johnny's bought he's lost a packet of fags and a lighter, but Mark's got some music on. Oh,
I'm doing the Donna dance.
oh yeah! So. Hey,
This is a new trend.
Honestly, you wish you were here. Right, I've no idea what time it is.
No idea. All the gear, no idea.
all the gear, no idea. Right, so in the middle of nowhere. Well, me,
Oh, we just be Johnny Explore Scotland.
right. Me and Johnny explores out Scotland, right?
No, isn't he out? It's just Johnny Explore Scotland.
Johnny explores Scotland, right? Honestly, we've had a wee bit to drink, but we're fine. So now what we're doing is there's a wee kind of pond in there, but we're heading back. We're going to be hike down back to the car. We've got I've drunk my first bottle of wine.
Yeah.
So what we're doing now is we're heading down back to the car and we're going to get a bottle of Jura whiskey. Right, so we'll bring you back once we get to the car.
Uncle Tommy's hat.
Right, we're back at the car. Johnny's got Uncle Tommy's hat on. Passed away, handed down through
I've hiked
through the generations. Right,
with Uncle Tommy's hat. I've hiked many a mile, many a Monroe.
so you've got to take your hat off to Johnny for that. Handed down through.
My hero, man. My hero.
Wait. Right,
Good guy.
So, what was your uncle's name, Johnny?
Tam O'Driscoll.
Tam O'Driscoll, right? He's got that's like a pure bushcrafter hat,
It's
isn't it?
actually, this is
It is.
it's a kookaburra.
Kookaburra. Right, it should really have
Bushcraft hat.
corks hanging off the end of
Right.
it. Right, we're only
Can't kill
kidding
it,
on
is
there. Right, good eye, mate. Right, but what
It's a little
what's
ripper.
Johnny got in his hand? Johnny,
Sure, journey. And that's for Kevin, by the way.
that's for Kevin.
I gave Kevin a load
He did.
of outdoor biking stuff.
Yeah.
So,
Whatever it was, right?
but I gave Kevin
so,
a load of
it's
biking bags.
He did.
So cheers- cheers, Kev.
Johnny kindly gave Raving About Scotland a bunch of biking bag things for his bike, but so Kevin in return has provided Johnny with a bottle of Jura whiskey,
So,
which we are now going to descend.
we're going to tan.
we're going to tan this back. We get back to camp and we eventually find our way back to camp in the middle of nowhere in the darkness.
Take it my big shadow.
But it's all good fun, folks. You know it's all good fun. Right, you could, honestly, I know I've said it 3 times already tonight, but you could be sitting in the house watching Coronation cross streets, or you could be in the middle of nowhere with good folk.
Wish you were here!
Wish you were here! You could be out in the middle of nowhere with folk, having a good time, drinking wine, whiskey and whatever else is.
You got my shadow on like Andre the
Yeah,
Giant.
I've not even got your shadow. Right, I've got you in the light, which Kevin.
Thanks, Kevin. I appreciate that.
Yeah, Kevin's a good guy.
I
Good
appreciate
guy.
that, Kevin. Thank you.
Oh, they're all good folk. All the folk we go out with, good, decent folk. Right, but me and Johnny are hiking back for the car, back to where we're camping with a bottle of Jura.
That's it.
I reckon me and Johnny will be the last folk standing. Right, because I reckon,
Because we've got steak and peppers to go
yeah,
back to.
you're right. We've still got double cheeseburgers with steak and, oh, this is going to be like a monster
We
burger.
can do burgers, steak,
Burger,
peppers,
steak, peppers, onion.
peppercorn sauce.
Oh, the full works. That's going to be cooked tonight before we go to our bed. Right, even though the rest of them,
It's
I
funny,
reckon,
Michelle out and about Scotland said, I said to her, I'm like a tramp on chips.
so, sorry, we're in the middle of nowhere, but I'll just hold on a wee minute, because I think, right, oh no, we're running out.
See the path?
Right, we can see the path
I
now.
can see the path from here.
I can see the path from here. Right, but we're heading back to where we're all camping. We've got the Jura, cooking with gas, and the food's still to come on the first night. But
Tomorrow we'll be hanging.
oh, tomorrow we'll be hanging, right? But deep down, doesn't
Good
matter.
people, good camp.
Correct. Good company, good laugh. So we're back at the camp. Right, so we're here. Right, Johnny's got the Jura. We've got the Jura whiskey. Right, the fire's still going strong. Still having a good laugh. Fantastic. Right folks, it's Elvis time. Oh yeah. Woo! You couldn't get this sitting in the house, right? You could be sitting in the house watching mundane television, or you could be watching Eddie, Scott's Wild Camper, giving it big licks. Eddie, Mark,
Prophecy Prepper.
Prophecy Prepper, Johnny Explores Scotland, who's sitting there nice and kind of quiet just now, who deep down with his bushcraft hat is going to suddenly burst into dance, right? But, why sit in the house? Why sit in the house when you could be out in the middle of nowhere, enjoying yourself?
Cinnamon, you're my love. You are my world.
So, Maureen, how come I'm the only person sitting down? Eddie,
Sugar is spice.
what's your channel called? Prophecy Prepper, sitting down, right? Johnny's sitting down, Eddie's sitting down. Oh, hey, Jerry's up! Oh yeah! Right? Right, right, shine the light, Eddie. Shine the light, Eddie. Eddie. Right, Eddie. Come on, Eddie. Right, Kevin, shine the light yourself.
That's a good
Right.
shot.
Oh, fantastic. Even though, right, shine the light me. Right, even though I know deep down I'm going to get ripped for the copyright here, but I Right.
You were on Spotify or something.
Everybody else is sitting down. Kevin.
You're going for it.
You're
Ring
going
of
for
Fire.
it, right? Ready for Ring of Fire by who?
Johnny Cash.
Only Ring of Fire's that one below you.
Right, that is that fire below me, right? That hopefully that I
Or
don't
Johnny's
fall
Curry the
into.
Mora.
Right, but Johnny
He's on
Johnny Explosive in Scotland
Johnny
is about to put on Johnny
Ring of
Explosive
Fire.
at Ring of Fire.
The Ring of Fire.
Right,
Still
get
to
on,
come.
Johnny.
I've got country
Right,
songs.
oh, it's searching for it. It's searching for it.
On.
Right, but
Yeah,
yeah. Right, but Johnny's still looking for. Here we go. Here we go. I know you can't see me right now. Oh, wait a minute.
No, it's
oh
still-
no.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
There's Kevin's shined light. Do you remember this one?
And album.
Right. You're probably sitting in the house right now, but deep down, you wish you were out here.
You're right. You wish you were
You
here.
wish you were out here.
To make a change.
Just
Take it easy. Don't feel young.
How can you get the album? How can you get the album?
That's
I
still
mean-
no Ring of Fire though.
That's not a Ring of Fire. Right, Johnny, get Ring of Fire on.
Ring
Right,
of Fire.
we're getting here, right? Right, get Ring of Fire on. Right, man, I'm going to stop. That's Johnny. Shine the light on Johnny.
His eyes are out.
Ruben James. Right, we're going strong. Right.
What's the bottom?
Johnny Explores Scotland's put Ruben James. Is that what the song's called?
What's
Or wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. I think
What's the
deep down, shine light this way.
And what's the
Kevin.
buttons?
Deep down, I think me and Kevin have finally. I think me and Kevin. We've not. Right. Right. We thought we'd Ring of Fire on there. Ring of Fire. Johnny. Ring of Fire.
I can't see the fucking
Right, wait a minute. Oh, excuse the language. Excuse the language. Right. But
I'm looking for the volume.
Johnny's looking for the volume.
That's it.
Right, wait a minute. Johnny.
Looking for the volume. I'm past.
Right, Johnny's on it.
Oh,
Johnny Explores on it. He's got it. He's got Ring of Fire.
Johnny Explores getting past.
That's no. Come on.
Robin James.
Right, so it's me, Kevin, Wildcamping Scotland, and it's Johnny, Mark, Prophecy Prepper.
And me bitches.
Wait a minute, I thought it was supposed to be Ring of Fire, we've suddenly got Stone Roses. Hey, you know what they say, it's all good. It's all good.
Amazing night.
It's a fantastic night. Right, what was a good laugh. Right, even though there's Stone Roses playing, even though they've requested, Ring of Fire, but Stone Roses, oh yeah!
We can't lose.
Oh, it's video time! Even though I'm totally out of focus, but you can tell we're all having a good time, can't you? You can tell we're all having a fantastic time.
I can't walk.
Yes. I know it's the baby.
Wildcamper.
Woohoo! Scottish Wildcamper.
Sorry.
No, wait a minute. Scottish Wildcamper.
Eddie, Scottish Wildcamper.
Yes. Number one. I keep kidding Eddie on. Right, here's Eddie. Right, Eddie is number one. I keep kidding him on. I'm trying to be number one. Right, Eddie is Scottish Wildcamper number one. Right. Even though I've kind of stole the Scottish Wildcamper, I'm not number one. Deep down, Eddie's number one, right? And you know he is, right? But even apart from that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Here, Mark's the karaoke. Put the light on. Yeah.
My brain is flaming. I don't know which way to go. Yeah. Cause your kisses lift me higher, like a sweet song.
Could you make this up? Could you? Could not
And
make
you
it up.
lie by my sky.
Middle of nowhere, without singing, I don't know what I was singing, right? But I've had a fantastic night. This is the best night I've had in ages.
Help me, I'm flaming. I must be a hot.
Mark's giving it big licks.
Burning,
I
nothing to
mean, he
me.
was sitting in the house doing nothing, watching mundane
I just
television,
returned to
and
the
he was
smoke,
sitting out
but
doing
I
this.
feel fine, yeah.
Johnny Explores lighthouse. Johnny Explores
Right,
light-
me and Johnny explore Scotland. We've got the stove on. Everybody else is away at their bed.
Johnny Explores firelighters. is my-
Correct. Right, but we've got the brand new spanking. Look at that. Gleaming.
Oosh.
What kind of stove's that, Johnny?
That's the forgot the name of it. The
It's not the.
no, it's
I
the
don't know what that is
it's
either.
a doofer.
Differ, right? It's a differ. But see, at the end of the day, look at that. That's like gleaming. See, compared to mine, absolutely.
See Outbacker.
Right, it's the Outbacker.
Sorry, Outbacker glass retreat.
The Outbacker glass retreat.
I can't even get past it.
Right, but John's getting it stoked.
It's
Stoked
shite.
up.
It's shite compared to the fucking.
Well, it is. Right.
Well, if it's,
Right.
listen, it's not.
But we'll get
Listen.
burgers.
I've got to be honest.
Well,
it's no
oh, stick that about it.
Pomley. If you're talking to Uncle Johnny, it's no Pomley out. It's not the Pomley, but if you want to send Santa his Christmas gift, I saw you like it. I saw you
Look
read
at
my
that.
videos.
Johnny's sticking the big log in. Right, I reckon within 20 minutes,
Can't even, oh,
it's all good, man.
but
Right,
Pomley,
right.
if you want to send
But
out
it's all
Pomley,
good.
if you want to send Uncle Johnny the big fella,
Yep. Oh, he's
Pomley.
got, oh, look at that. He's got that in there. no bother.
Pomley, if you want to see Uncle Johnny, the big, if you want to see Uncle Johnny, the big fella.
Next up, we're going to have
Burgers.
I can't mind what kind of burgers are they? They're beef, chorizo, and chickpea burgers.
Take them fellas, yeah? Sirloins.
Couple of sirloin steaks. So what we're going to do is, even though everybody's went to their bed, and it's about, I don't even know what time it is. What time is it, Johnny, with that big watch? No, Johnny's got a big watch on. Johnny, what's the time of your big watch?
Oh, sorry, that's a diesel Big Daddy.
That's
It is 20 past 12.
20 past 12.
To be fair.
Oh, look at that. Right, me and Johnny have got the mixed peppers, sweet peppers, sirloin steak, chickpea, beef burgers. We got a bit of peppercorn sauce. Everybody made their bed.
To be fair.
We're still going.
It's gear o'clock.
It's what?
Gear o'clock.
Here, don't listen to him. My sunglasses would just fall off my head.
Petromax when I said somebody can cook.
Right, so Johnny's he's on the ball. Right. I blame that Jura whiskey. Right, oh, look at
I
that.
blame Petromax to be fair.
Oh, yeah.
I blame Petromax to be fair.
Now that's what
I try to show them.
Sirloin steaks on what kind of stove is that?
That's a Outbacker.
Outbacker stove.
Outbacker original plus glass stove.
Brilliant. Look at that. It's even got a wee glass window in the front. Right, mine's only got the. Let's just get the.
Oh, can't even
front, the thing at the front. Mine's an Anivy Frontier stove. But
And
Johnny's is.
To be fair, the Anivy stove is almost the exact same, man.
Yeah.
Apart from the glass door.
But it is generally the same,
The
right?
Anivy's beautiful.
But deep down, you know, you're sitting going.
If Santa's got to look
Well,
after me, with my,
you are right,
with my
Johnny.
With my fancy tent, this is the
The bee's knees.
This is a
It
Pomley.
is.
Pomley.
But look at that.
Pomley stove. I'd like a Pomley stove if Santa's looking after me.
You would. A wee titanium
But
stove.
to be honest, I've got to be honest. When it comes to tents,
That's the best, isn't it? See these
I
Pomley.
camped in.
The Pomley Hex.
Colin you've got the Pomley.
I've got the Hex, whatever. Right, but,
So I've got the Hex
but
Plus.
Johnny's got the Hex Plus. Just to show me up, but he's got the Hex Plus.
Nah, that's true.
I know, we're only kidding on.
To be fair,
But this is slightly bigger than mine. But look at the space in here.
To be fair,
Right, you can fit like, you can fully sit about 2 or 3 folk.
I've got a bed.
You see, you've got a cot bed thing on the inside of it.
And that's a excuse me.
Oh,
That's the
excuse you.
what do you call
But
it?
the bed, cot bed thing, right?
So
But
British Army cot.
Right, folks, don't know what time it is, right? But
John's batteries dead.
yeah, it's only me and Johnny Explores Out Scotland that left, right? But we're on to the.
Steak
What we're going to do is we're going to cook up some steak,
some burgers,
some burgers.
onions.
We'll get some
peppers.
onions, peppers.
Yeah, we've
full
got sauce.
blender.
I've got sauce. Yes.
Yeah, we've got a wee bit of
peppercorn
sauce.
sauce.
Oh, peppercorn sauce.
And I beat
Hey,
it like a
you
trampoline
can't do
chips.
that. Oh yeah, Johnny. Right. Plus, we've also got some Innis and Gun lager
We've
beer.
got 2 cans. We've got a bottle of wine.
2 cans. Still a bottle of wine. We'll have to go to the shop. We'll have to drive a couple of hours to.
I'm
and get
driving
some-
nowhere. Colin's picking them up. I'm
I'm
driving
the same.
nowhere.
I'm driving anywhere anyway. But we're fine. And it needs
Oh,
couple of beers.
hold on. Innocent gun.
We've got Innis and Gun. We're
I've
all
got,
right just now. Innis and Gun.
Jura.
We've got Jura as well. I've got another bottle of wine. But we've got Innis and Gun, craft brewed, lager beer, naked golden oats.
Colin got to just have to
What?
chuck these in.
Are you just going to chuck them in like that?
Aye.
Oh,
Fucking
right. Johnny's just going to do that. Wait a minute.
Oh,
Right,
they're
whoa,
going in the hole. They're going in the hole.
Right folks, that's the peppers in along with the sirloin steak. Still got the steak. Hopefully sorry I'm saying steak. steaks already in, peppers are in. We've still got the chorizo, beef and chicken pea burgers still to go. It's all good to go. It's all fine.
Peppers
It's tight.
are in.
The peppers are in. The whole lot are in. Just chuck them in. Chuck them in, Johnny. Right, onions. That's it. So, sirloin steak, onions, peppers. You see the best of it? We've still got these burgers.
to go.
We've still got the burgers, the chicken.
And
Right.
I'll tell you a trick. Look up here. The bitches are sleeping.
Yeah, right. So it's only me and Johnny left, right? Me and Johnny.
Pissed. We're half pissed.
Pissed. Aye.
No,
Right,
half
how'd
pissed.
I turn that
No
round?
drunk, but half pissed. So we're going to have a TV stove.
Right, so Johnny's got the Hex Plus.
But to be fair, if it wasn't for Colin, I wouldn't have a stove.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have a tent.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
steady.
contacted Paul.
Sorry,
I
folks.
contacted Paul and said, "Can I get a free tent?"
Sorry to laugh. Sorry, Pamela. What?
So I contacted Paul and he said, "Can I get a free tent?" And they were like, "Bolt your fucking rocket." So I never got one, so I
Right.
had to buy it.
But Johnny's got
But-
one now. He's got the Hex Plus.
To be fair, this
Plus
is
the stove. Cooking started. It's all good.
And-
Everybody else is away at their bed. And me and
sure,
Johnny.
sure about one of these, but
Yeah.
he's not allowed to because he missed
Yeah.
told him.
Yeah.
Shut up, get
You're
here.
right, Johnny. Stuart's sitting in the house. The Scottish Wanderer sitting in the house.
I've got to see drinking champagne, but
Because
no, he's
he's
drinking.
not drinking champagne.
He's drinking lemon cordial.
Aye, he's drinking a cup of tea, man, because he's not allowed out tonight.
Stuart,
Right, we're still out, going strong.
Stuart,
I
we
don't
love
know
you. We love you, Stuart.
We do really, right?
He's actually a great guy.
He is,
But,
right?
but
he's not
you
out
know,
tonight.
you know,
He's not allowed out tonight.
Sarah's a boss. Sarah's a boss.
You're right, Johnny. Sarah, big shout out to you.
Although she doesn't watch his videos.
Correct. Right, but we're out. I know you're all loving this. You're probably all watching this going, you're actually another wee bit drunk.
You're all
Right.
watching it saying,
But the best is yet to come, right? I know we've got sirloin steaks, burgers,
wait till tomorrow.
peppers, onions, whatever
Tomorrow
it is
you're in for a
tonight.
shock.
But-
You get Johnny's curry.
Yeah, Johnny's curry is still to come tomorrow night. So this is just the first night. I'm going to split this video into two.
And when we say
Come
Johnny's
tomorrow.
curry, when we say Johnny's curry,
Aye, Johnny's curry. It's not my curry. It's not Colin's kitchen tomorrow night. I'll be honest.
I'll be
I'll
going
be honest, it's not even my kitchen tonight either. Because I'm
When
sitting
we-
here,
when we
Johnny's
see-
cooking the steak, the onions, the peppers, the whatever else it is. But we're still here. It's only me and
When
Johnny.
Johnny-
Me, Johnny.
Tomorrow when Johnny cooks, it's Colin cooks like a bitch. What's
Yeah.
cooking in Johnny's
Yeah.
kitchen tonight? Fuck all like Colin's
Yeah,
because it's
right. But the best it is, it's only me and Johnny that are left. Right? Eddie, Scottish Wildcampers, away at his bed. Prophecy Prefers away at his bed.
Oh, he was in his
Kevin.
bed. He was in his bed before we started.
Nah, you're right, right. Kevin, raving about Scotland, he's away at his bed.
Kevin, check Kevin's videos about
Yeah,
it.
but John's,
Brilliant.
yeah,
Brilliant.
Kevin's a decent
You wanna
guy.
see
Check his
You
channel
want to
out.
see his videos, his photography.
Yeah.
Not like that.
Fantastic.
And Eddie. Scottish
Eddie
Wildcamper.
Eddie goes up the Monroes, right? You're kind of probably lazy camp.
We're
You're probably lazy
I'm
campers
going to be
compared
honest,
to Eddie.
we're kind of different.
Aye.
We're the
Aye.
drunk wild campers.
Aye, we are the drunk wild campers. Right, but at the end of the day, why worry? You know what I mean? We're still out, we're doing it, we're enjoying it. You could be sitting in the house, you could be doing nothing, you could be watching the same old mundane television. Exactly.
You've
But,
been, he's watching Cornish Street
correct.
in EastEnders, is it?
Yep. Whereas,
Get yourself out there.
see tomorrow.
Keep
Yes.
it, Kenny.
Yep,
Whoosh.
get some Ranger,
Whoosh.
keep fit Kenny, they'll be out tomorrow night.
Good guys.
So-
Looking forward to meeting them. Looking
That'll
forward to
be
meeting them.
good. Stay tuned. Right, it's I don't know what time it is. The dinner's on, Johnny. Dinner's on. Right.
We're on.
So
we're on
we've got sirloin steaks, onions,
mushrooms.
mushroom,
Peppers.
peppers,
Onions.
onions.
Peppers
Right.
on
But
sauce.
what I think we should do right now, Johnny, is
When you,
we've got a couple of
when
these.
you whack it over, we'll get some burgers on.
Let's chuck them on.
Oh, shit, that one missed.
Did it? Oh,
I
yeah.
can't even get it to that
Right,
fucking.
remember that. Oh, sorry.
Up.
Right, we'll just
Cut
we'll
the
stick
burgers.
with 4. No, let's just stick with 4 of them on. We might as well stick. We're just going to go with waste. Right, so we'll just.
We're getting Bugsy that are picked.
So what we'll do
Bugsy.
right now,
Bugsy! So it's done.
it's like, I don't know, 1 in the morning, everyone's away at their bed, burgers are on. Johnny's going to flip that over so the burgers start cooking as well.
You fair.
That's what we're talking about. So folks, Johnny's on it. He's got the sirloin steak with the peppers. I'm just going to tear into a sirloin steak as well. I think that what we're going to do is we're going to tear into sirloin steaks first. And then tackle the burgers after that. Minus the peppers. We'll eat the peppers with the steak. I'm just going to dig into that. Steak time. Right, sirloin steak, look at this, lovely. Right, Johnny's got a plate, I've not got a plate, I don't know my plate, so I'm just going to eat it with my fingers.
Wow.
Lovely. Sirloin steak, cooked in there. Cooked in there. Right, everyone's away at their bed. Me and Johnny, still going strong. Steak, lovely. Still got the burgers to go. Right, sirloin steak, fantastic. Roasted pepper. Lovely. Right folks, we've eaten the peppers, sirloin steak. It's time for I can't mind, beef chickpeas, Chelsea burger. Lovely.
Awesome.
Oh, spillage. Still good, but oh.
You ready there?
Well, they're good as well. Are they snoring? Right, they're all away at their bed. It's only me and Johnny that's left. Right, eating steak, burgers, peppers, onion. I don't even know what time it is. Must be what, 2 in the morning?
Something like that, mate.
Something like that. Right. But everybody's away at their bed. Come tomorrow, there'll be certain folk who want to shout, I'm going up that hill. Right? Right now, I'm thinking, I'll go up that hill. But come tomorrow morning, might be a different matter. But I reckon deep down, what'll happen is, I'll not go up that hill. I'll end up in a car with Johnny out.
I'm here in bed.
Johnny explores
I'm
outside.
here in my bed.
Yeah. And we'll end up going to the shop somewhere and just coming back and just sitting at camp. Because we'll know tomorrow lunchtime, Johnny's cooking tonight. Johnny's
Big curry.
yeah, big curry tomorrow night. But see, lunchtime tomorrow, if I don't go up the hill, I've got
Chicken with rice.
yeah,
Naan bread.
full works, full curry. But at lunchtime, if Johnny doesn't go up the hill and I don't go up the hill, I've got some spicy beef strip chilli things that we're going to cook. Right, we'll maybe cook that at lunchtime tomorrow. Still got, obviously, after that will be after breakfast of bacon and eggs. But,
I'm baking eggs, but these steaks are going to go damn well one night.
aye, but lovely.
Mm.
So, first night,
Good night.
First night, good night. Good laugh, good gathering.
Oh.
Tomorrow night, there'll be other folk here as well. Denson Rangers, Kenny. Right folks, food's finished. It's time for bed. So I'm going to crash into, fire into the CP tent, crash out. Great night, fantastic. So, stay tuned, make sure you like the video, hit subscribe, hit the bell for future notifications. We'll bring you back tomorrow night for the next episode of Scottish Wild Camper. Right folks, bedtime. So, it's been a great night. Night one, fantastic. So we'll see you in the morning. Catch up soon. Thanks for watching.
Had a curry one.
Right folks, it's breakfast time. So Johnny's got, sure would love this, the mixed grill in a can. Beans, sausage, diced potato, chicken nuggets, lamb chop. But I have to just get up now. But start of another day, so I'm going to split the video, put the rest of this into another one for the rest of the video of today, tonight, and in the next video. So, catch you in the next one. Adios. Yep, it's that time. It's bacon time.
It's breakfast.
Some eggs, sausage. Oh, full dinner.